Hey Jake, you look half asleep. Didn't you sleep well last night?
Oh, I did, but mornings are just not my thing.
Not your thing? What do you mean?
I hate mornings, like really hate them. My alarm rings and I hit snooze at least 3 times.
Snooze means to delay your alarm, right?
Exactly. You press a button so you can sleep for 5 more minutes, which always becomes 30.
Classic Jake. So, what's your morning routine like?
I wake up at 8:30, check my phone, scroll through Instagram, and then,
Wait, scroll through?
yeah, it means moving your finger up and down on the screen to see posts.
Got it. So you scroll for how long?
About 1 hour.
1 hour? That's half the morning.
That's why I'm always late. Grins.
Well, I wake up at 6:30, make my bed, do yoga, and drink green tea.
Wow, so you're basically a superhero.
No, I just like starting my day productive, doing useful things early.
Yeah, that word again. Productive. I should Google it someday.
So, what do you do after breakfast?
I work from home. I'm a graphic designer.
Nice. I'm teaching English online.
Oh, yeah? How's that going?
It's fun, but sometimes it's exhausting.
Exhausting means very tiring, right?
Exactly. After 5 classes in a row, my brain stops working.
I feel you. I once had 3 meetings back to back, and I wanted to throw my laptop out the window.
Back to back. That's a good phrase. It means one after another without a break, right?
Yep, like nonstop torture.
So true. Do you take breaks during work?
Not really. I usually forget to eat lunch.
That's terrible. You can't pour from an empty cup.
Huh? What does that mean?
It means you can't take care of work or others if you don't take care of yourself first.
Wow, deep. I should put that on a mug. What about your afternoons?
I usually go for a walk or meet a friend for coffee.
I love coffee. Actually, I drink like 4 cups a day.
4? You're addicted.
Maybe. It keeps me awake and focused.
Good words. Awake means not sleeping, and focused means able to pay attention.
You're turning this chat into an English class again.
Can't help it. Teacher habits.
I usually just take a nap after lunch.
Nap means a short sleep, right?
Exactly. A short, sweet escape from reality.
I wish I had time for naps. What's your evening like?
I usually cook dinner. Well, cook means heat something in the microwave.
Lazy cooking.
Yep. Then I watch Netflix for hours.
What's your favorite show?
Anything with action. You?
I prefer documentaries.
Of course you do. Miss Productive again.
Hey, watching something educational helps my English too.
True. Sometimes I watch shows with subtitles. That helps me learn new phrases.
Good idea. I tell my students that too. Input before output.
What does that mean?
It means you should listen and read a lot before you try to speak or write.
Oh, that's smart.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around midnight. I try to sleep early, but end up watching memes.
Same here sometimes. Social media is so distracting.
Distracting means it takes your attention away from what you should do, right?
Exactly.
So, what's your secret to staying productive all day?
I plan my day the night before. I make a to-do list.
Oh, a list of tasks to do.
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Maybe I should try that instead of just go with the flow.
That's another phrase. Go with the flow means relax and don't plan too much.
That's literally my life motto. You know what, Emma? Talking about daily life makes me realize something.
What?
My daily life is boring. I need some change.
Start small. Maybe wake up 10 minutes earlier.
That's too extreme.
Okay, 5 minutes. Baby steps.
Deal. And you? Maybe you should take a nap once in a while.
Challenge accepted.
Well, I gotta go. Time for another productive nap.
Sure, very productive.
Hey, resting is also part of the process.
True. Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you. Don't forget to go with the flow.
And don't forget to set your alarm and